everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Laura and welcome to my channel. Today is the 31st and final day of FACEMASKTOBER. It has been an interesting experience and I didn't know if I would be able to make it through 31 days of face mask, but here we are. I'm actually pre-filming this because I'm currently in Vegas, so the last couple videos that you have seen have been pre-filmed. But for today's 31st and final mask, we are going to be testing out the By Nature Hydro Firm Lace Collagen Shot Face Mask. So I'm pretty excited to use this. It says it has hyaluronic acid, it's coenzyme, Q10, vitamin E, and antioxidants. It's made in New Zealand, no parabens or nasty chemicals, and no animal testing, of course. Tone, smooth, and uplift with this Hydro Firm Lace Sheet Mask infused with hyaluronic acid, antioxidants, and coenzyme Q10. I don't know what that is. For a boost of nourishment and hydration your skin will love, leaving a skin fresh and revitalized without nasty chemicals. So hyaluronic acid, it says, helps retain your natural skin moisture and aids in keeping collagen levels up. Hyaluronic acid assists in keeping a smooth, youthful looking complexion. And then the coenzyme Q10 here, it says that antioxidant properties of coenzyme Q10 help to protect the skin against environmental damage while reducing inflammation and soothing skin. This leaves your skin with clarity, suppleness, and more radiant glow. Well, I like that. The directions. First one says to cleanse and dry skin, give your sachet a quick squeeze to evenly disperse the contents and tear open. I'm really going to miss saying the word sachet. That makes me sad. Our skin is clean and dry. Step 2, remove the backing and gently place mask onto your face, smoothing to ensure a nice close fit. Step 3, lay back and relax. Let the goodness of the mask condition your skin for the next 10 minutes. Step 4, discard the mask, clean the skin with warm water, pat dry, and enjoy the effects. So, we'll probably leave this on for longer than 10 minutes. I don't have anything else going on right now. So I've been cutting these open with the scissors, but I can tell that the mask is all the way up here. I can actually tell that it is lace because I can feel it and it has like that texture that lace has. So normally I cut these open, but I don't want to cut the mask and I can literally feel it up there. So I guess we're gonna attempt trying to tear it one last time. The first mask that I did on this channel, day 1, it tore horribly, and so I have not been tearing them since. I have been cutting them open. You should definitely go check out some of my other face mask videos for this month if you haven't watched any of the other ones yet. And like I said, it's been a long month. Trying to get videos done every day, videos edited every day, videos put up every day. Yeah, it's just not tearing open. So we're gonna go in here. I actually lost quite a few subscribers. I lost about 15 subscribers during this time. I don't really have a lot. I'm very appreciative of the ones that I do have, but that was interesting to watch as well, watching subscribers unsubscribe. So I guess good riddance. If people don't want to watch my channel, you should definitely unsubscribe then if you're not interested. So we got it open here. I'm going to remove it. I can tell that there is a lot of serum. I can tell that it is lace. Pretty sure the lights are washing it out. It's got that Jason Halloween backing on it that looks like a hockey mask. You can see that there. Let's see, get the nose piece out of the way. I do not see any earpieces, so it definitely does not have that on it. It smells pretty florally. Can't say I care for that. I'm gonna be honest right now, I don't know how this would be firming other than depending what kind of ingredients are actually in the serum. But yeah, I don't know how this would be firming. Hopefully this will stay on better than the last sheet mask that we did from Beauty Concepts that was just falling right off. Let's see. There's serum in there still. Let me see how much I can get out here. Oh yeah, it's coming right out. I got quite a bit on my hand. Oh, I got that on my mouth. Okay, so it did say to leave it on for 10 minutes. I'll set my timer for 10, but I have a feeling I'll probably leave it on for 20. Unless it starts to bother me or something and I feel like I need to take it off. Like I said, it is pretty florally smelling. It's alright, we've got it counting down, so we'll be back when it's time to remove the mask. Alright, so we're back. It's probably been about 15 minutes now that we've had this mask on, and I'm ready to take it off. I've got some other stuff I want to get done, so I'm ready to be done with FACEMASKTOBER. I mean, it's pretty cool. I kind of like it. I don't think I'm going to throw it away. I think we'll just like wash the stuff out of it. Maybe I'll find something to do with it. And then it did say that you need to wash this off, so I'm going to go rinse my skin clean, and then we will be back to go over what I think about it. Alright, so we've got that washed off our skin now, and we're going to go over the claims of this mask. So it does say that this mask is supposed to tone, smooth, and uplift your face. So it should be a boost of nutrition and hydration for your skin, and it should leave you feeling fresh and revitalized without any nasty chemicals. So I guess I don't know anything about the chemicals, but I do feel fresh. I do feel revitalized. I feel like my skin is hydrated and nourished. I don't feel like I'm going to have to put on any moisturizer. I probably still will, but I don't feel like I have to. My skin doesn't feel dry. I feel like it's a good tone. I do feel like I'm a little bit glowy. And as far as the smoothing and the uplift part, the firming part, I'm sorry, I just can't speak to that. I really don't think that this mask was able to do that. However, anyway, I do feel like this was a pretty fun mask. It was definitely different than some of the other ones that we have tried. And I do feel like my skin is hydrated and fresh feeling. So that's definitely a plus for this. So that is everything for this mask. If you have tried it yet, or if you're going to go pick it up, please comment down below. If you enjoyed this video, please thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so now. That way you don't miss out on my future videos. And that is it for FACEMASKTOBER. I just want to thank everybody who watched all the videos. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. If you are just tuning in to the last video, please go watch the other videos. I would really appreciate that. And make sure you stay tuned for November. I have a fun surprise coming up. Until next time, I hope you're having a great day, night, weekend, wherever you are, whatever you're doing. Bye, everybody.